Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to remove that fuzzy look from carpet. This can be used on vehicles, home interior carpets, boats, etc. For this I'm using a boat as an example. Over time, if carpet ages, and if it's exposed to friction from use or is constantly cleaned, this can cause a fuzzy, clumpy looking appearance such as shown here. I'll show you before and after in a moment, as it can be a bit harder to see the difference right now. Here I'm using a regular hair trimmer. These have various attachments to achieve whatever length you desire. For this I'm using 1/4 inch in length. However, you can experiment on the carpet or what your personal preference may be. My recommendation would be starting out with a longer length first and then working your way down to a shorter length. Once you cut the area too short, you can't go back. I find it's best to work in one direction first and then in the other. Take your time, try not to pull the fibers or stick the depth attachment too far into the base. This can get messy, so it may be best to follow up with a vacuum as you're cutting, or work in an area where the fibers can fall down onto a smooth surface that's easily cleaned after. Here's a before and after comparison. The panel above on the left is what I started with, and the panel in behind on the right is what I'm left with. Again, I'm doing the same procedure for the opposite panel, taking my time, working in multiple directions. Once done, then follow up with a vacuum to remove those loose fibers. Again, work in multiple directions. This will greatly clean up the aesthetics of the carpet along with its feel. After that, these panels are then ready to be reinstalled. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, it's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.